Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Temu customer service in a quick and easy way. If you're facing any issue with your order, refund, or account, then this step-by-step guide will help you. So make sure to watch till the end and follow along. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Once the app is launched, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the U icon, which is also known as the profile section. This will open your account page where you can access different settings and options. Now, at the top of this page, you'll see a headphones icon. Tap on this icon and it will automatically take you to the customer service or help center section of the Temu app. This is where you can find solutions to common problems. On this page, you will see different categories and options related to orders, payments, shipping, and more. You can select any option that matches your issue and follow the instructions provided. In many cases, your problem can be solved directly from here without needing to contact support. However, if you don't find your issue listed, don't worry. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see an option called Contact Us. Tap on it, and from there, you'll be able to start a conversation with a live agent or chatbot. This is the easiest way to directly get help from Temu's support team. Once connected, explain your issue clearly so they can assist you faster. Usually, responses are quick and your problem will be resolved in no time. And that's it. That's how you can easily contact Temu customer service using the app.